Watch step by step how easy it is to convert your existing zero-clearance wood-burning fireplace into an easy and efficient direct vent gas insert. Before you start, it's important to remove the old log grate and clean the fireplace of any ash or debris. It's also recommended to have the chimney swept before installation of your new direct vent gas insert. Let's get started. First, remove the doors and/or fire screen mesh. Remove the ash lip, refractory panels, and fasten firebox components, including louvers. Next, cut out the base pan to allow space for the new gas insert. Remove damper and smoke shelf. And cut any excess metal at the base of the hearth to ensure a flush installation. Now locate the main gas line and run associated lines to the fireplace location. Cap the gas line inside, in the lower left-hand side of the firebox. Connect the line to the gas main. Locate the chimney for your fireplace. Remove old termination cap. Next, feed the fresh air and exhaust insert liners through the chimney. Insulate around the liners to prevent penetration of cold air. Attach and fasten liners to the termination cap. Then fasten the termination cap to the chimney. Now install your gas insert. Trim insert liners to the appropriate length. Place insulation around the damper and flex pipe liners. Also place insulation in any gaps created from modification of the firebox. Apply stove cement to the insert slide plate collar. Attach slide plate collar to the fresh air and exhaust insert liners. Attach and adjust leveling legs. Slide unit into position and pull gas line through the left side. Attach and screw in slide plate. Plug unit into the electrical outlet. Install fireplace shroud. At this point, it's necessary to have your gas lines inspected and pressure tested. Check your local codes for details. Once your unit is inspected and pressure tested, you can hook up the gas and prepare to complete the trim out. Install the refractory panels, remote receiver, and program the remote. Do a test start and then turn off. Place embers around the burner portholes. Place logs and lava rock. Clean the glass front, then position and attach. Hang doors. Fire up and test for gas leaks. Hang fascia to cover the valve cavity. Now you have an efficient and beautiful gas insert. With a push of a button, you can easily transform your entire room and enjoy the realistic flames and warmth.